Trash.
Trash.
My butt. My butt.
You almost got your finger.
Thank you for putting that in the trash. That was a good idea. Oh, you ate the stick. Uh-oh. Here it is. I got it. It's dirty now. We'll put it here. We'll put it right there. And we'll throw that away also. Yeah. No, it's dirty. Leave it there. Ugh. Dirty. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can eat those. Those are all clean. 1, 2.
Joshua, can you count the grapes?
2, 3, 2.
Dirty. How many grapes are there?
2.
2. That's right. Yeah. Now how many grapes are there? How many is that?
3.
1.
1.
1. 1 grape.
More.
Want more?
We're going to have dinner in just a little bit.
We're gonna have dinner in a little bit.
Can we
you
wait?
Want some water? Okay. What cup do you want your water in? Here's this cup.
What?
Is this from earlier?
What?